Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly in Market Update for Thursday, December the 6th, 2018. And just to remind you, what I try to do with these videos is give you a brief market update and to cover some trade ideas with you and some information that might help you to be a better trader and to expose you to this trade idea software that we have and Holly, the artificial intelligence engine. And one way that you can learn more is to go to our webinars every day. We have webinars from Monday through Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And here's the link to go into those. And so all you need to do is register, and then you will receive the email to get into those. And they kind of send you an email every day for the next one coming up so that you can make sure you get registered. Then on Friday at 11 o'clock, we have a support or question and answer period. So this is a great way to get yet another market update daily, and also the people review a lot on how this software works. So it helps train you if you already have it. If you don't have it, it helps you. And even if you don't want to use the software and don't have it, it gives you a lot of good ideas about trading. Another area where you can get a lot of good information very similar is in our trading room, Monday through Friday, 9 to 3:30 Eastern Time, hosted by Barry Einerson. And here's the link to get into that room. Once again, as always, I'll have all these links posted in the YouTube comments. Barry goes over the software also. He calls out his trades. There's usually 400 to 600 traders in the room, so it is a great room to be in. And the greatest thing of all, it's free, okay? All you got to do is put your email address in and you create a login, but it is absolutely free. And if you would like to try the software, and I brought up this slide here because this shows you what you get. Here's the link here. Bullseye 15 will save you 15% on your first month or your first year. It is case sensitive, so make sure you take advantage of that, and make sure you type it with the caps. But the yearly plan is $290 a day. You get streaming trade ideas, 10 simultaneous charts. You get a chart-based visual trade assistant, up to 5,000 price alerts. You get a channel bar, and you have access to the live trading room, which, like I say, you can get irrespective. And then a premium plan, you get everything the standard, plus you get extra charts. You get the artificial intelligence Holly. You get the price alerts. You get entry and exit signals. And it's just more and more and more. So we invite you to try out the software. Now with that, let's get on to our update. And you can see here, we had a major open down day, a big gap down day, and then we recovered pretty much the rest of the day. The Dow did drop a little bit more at first, but then it started going up. And look at that, it closed right near highs there. So very, very nice close to the Dow. Of course, as we always say, it's all going to depend on what happens tomorrow. The spiders, the same thing, the down, and we came down a little bit, and then we reversed and headed up essentially the rest of the day. Did not quite make it back to yesterday's high there. The IWM, same story all over again. And you can see here it closed at highs, almost made it back to yesterday's high, but not quite. And then the Qs, gap down, and look at this. They actually closed above yesterday's close, so the Qs did make a little bit of headway right at that 20 moving average. So, an interesting day in the market, as they have all been. So, stay tuned. Let's see what Friday has to bring. We've been on a roller coaster, and I have a feeling we're going to keep this volatility up for a while. Now let's switch on over to Holly, see how she did with this crazy market today. And Holly Grail had just 7 trades for a profit of 64 cents, and risk on profit was 68 cents. If we take a look here, PETQ was her best trade. She got in here. She got out because of a profit save right here. and it's a good thing, and it would have been a good day to follow her, at least on this trade, because if you held till the end of the day, you would have lost 49 cents. But her best risk on trade was INSP. And same thing, she got out for a profit save at even. And then look, once this trade kicked in, $1.79, and she did get out for a profit save as it started coming back up right at the end of the day. But very, very nice trade on such a difficult day. Now on to Holly 2.0. We had 11 trades, 85-cent profit, risk on profit of just 44 cents. And the best trade there was a short AVLR. And let me just go up here. I wanted to show you too. Look at every trade in Holly Grill was short. Every trade in Holly 2.0 was short. And we had one long trade in Holly Neo, AUPH, and she actually made some money in that one. So, today is the only day I can remember where we've had this many trades and only one long, the rest short. So, pretty amazing there. But back to AVLR, she made 50 cents on it, got out for a profit save. And the same story as with Grill. It's a good thing because you would have lost 7 cents had you held till the end of the day. And INSP was the best trade in this one as well. Move on to Holly Neo. Let me go ahead and move these charts up the way I like to so we can get a look at the charts down here. And we had 8 trades there. We lost 45 cents. And on the risk on, we lost 278. So we had some problems there. And we've got our short trade MOS. She made 68 cents on. So we'll take a look at that. Got in here. Very, very nice trade. Got out for a timed exit. And by golly, that was just about perfect timing, because it reversed right after she got out, and look at that. If had you held till the end of the day, lost 34 cents. And her best risk on trade was the long, AUPH. So, just kind of a crazy day. Let me bring my Excel spreadsheet in here just so that we can review that real quick. And we ended up with 26 trades today, $1.04 risk off profit, $1.66 risk on loss. So we lost money on the risk on. So for the week, we're sitting at 99 trades, 386 profit, 1403 risk on profit. So fairly nice week considering the kind of week it's been. Holly did have a little more trouble today, I think, with the big reversal through the day there. But if you do want to follow me on my blog, you can do that at bullseyetrader.com. You can always like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate you give me a thumbs up and maybe share it, drop in a comment. That would be awesome. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel here so you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.